Hello friends, welcome to my channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you how to add files in media. In media you can upload images or uh, videos. Okay, so let's start. Let's go to media. Take a cursor over here, click on add new. Now click on select files button. Now you can select any image or video you want to upload it over here. Let's suppose I'm selecting this image. Click on it and click on open button. Now you can see it's uploaded now. Okay, now if you want to write caption of image, you want to describe about image, give a title and you want to resize it, so click on edit button. You can change title, whatever you want to write. You can write caption, alternate text, description. Okay, now click on update. Okay, if you want to resize it, you can click on edit image. Now you can see so many options are available here. Flip. Okay, in whatever size or uh, in dimensions you can write it over here. So click on save button. Then click on update. So now let's see our images. We'll go to library now, media library. Now you can see images over here. Okay, first of all I uploaded this image and I updated that. After that I changed that image flip, so it's showing like this. So this is the way how we add images over here, or in the same way you can upload videos also. So friends, if you have any query, just comment in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it first for the more such videos. Thank you.